Alright, so good day everyone. So this is me, Miss Majoy, and welcome to our discussion, Letter of Request. So today we're going to learn what a letter of request is and why it is very important and how to construct a request letter or letter and some tips to make your request clear and polite. So by the end of this lesson, you will feel confident writing your own professional request letter. So let's begin. So now, where we're going to talk about first is what is letter of request. So a letter of request is a written message where you ask someone to do something they are not required to do. Okay, so unlike a demand, this is a polite appeal. Writing your request shows respect for the recipient's time and decision. So, okay, so think instead of concerning someone with sudden question, you give them space to think. Alright? So you give them a letter of request. Okay, so have you ever felt nervous asking for the favor in person? So, kinakabahan ba kayo? In person, a letter of request kasi it can make that experience less stressful. Okay, for both of you and the person you are asking. So now, why we write a letter of request or letter? So first is uh, we write it is because to avoid awkwardness. So why not just ask in person? So why we not just ask in person? Bakit kailangan pa nating i-letter or something like that? So because this is the reason why we write a letter. First is to avoid awkwardness. So you won't put anyone on the spot. Okay. Second, it is give recipient time to consider your request carefully. So, the recipient think carefully kung aaprubahan ba yung letter mo or hindi. Third is it is offer privacy or some people need space to make a decision. So, sometimes your letter or some other people, they request a letter it because it's very personal or very confidential. Okay, so the recipients need the space to make a decision. Fourth, it's allow you to explain your request clearly. So no rush, okay? No rush conversation or misunderstanding kasi pinag-isipan na. Okay? So lastly, it helps to prevent a uh, awkwardness. Okay? So, meron tayo for a reason why we use a letter. First is offers privacy, reduce pressure, allow clear explanation, and lastly, prevent awkwardness or yung awkward refusal. Okay? So, if they can't help, they can politely decline without discomfort. Okay? So, think about this if you were the receiving end or yung nag-receive ng letter, so would you appreciate having time and clarity before giving an answer? So it's very nice if merong time na kailangan pag-isipan yung mga desisyon. So, hindi siya agaran. When face-to-face kasi, kailangan may maisasagot ka na sa nagtatanong. So, dito sa letter, it takes time to decision pa. Okay? So, meron tayong mga tips for writing an effective request. So, nagsulat lang or nilagay ko lang yung 3 possible. So, marami pang mga tips. Pero, naglagay lang ako ng 3. So, first, be polite. So, remember, you're asking, not demanding. Okay? You're asking po. So, word like please and kindly. So, go along the way. Okay? So, minsan kasi, wag masyadong lagyan ng harsh. Okay? So, harsh language is not allowed. So, hindi ka po nagde-demand. You are asking permission. Okay? So, second is highlight the benefits to recipients. Show how to fulfill your request. Also, help the recipients what in it for them. So this time, people are more likely to help if they see how fulfilling your request might also help them. Okay po? So kung nakita nila na yung letter mo is very good structured and then no harsh language or etc. So they might help, baka nakaka-benefit din sa kanila. So they approve it. Okay? So lastly, state the request clearly po. Clearly accurate exactly what you need to get. Okay po? So, don't leave guessing, something like that. So, be specific about what you're asking for and avoid magugulong language. Okay? So, imagine receiving a letter that say, I need your help ASAP. Okay? Would you feel motivated to respond? Siyempre, hindi. Probably not. Clarity and politeness make a big difference compared to I need your help ASAP. So, you need to create a letter more interesting, more politely, more highlight the benefits and to recipients, and state the request very clearly. Okay po? So, we will have a recommend structure. First is open and greetings, proper solution to ha. Ito yung mga greetings and openings start with a respectful salutation such as Dear Miss Majoy or Dear Miss or Hello Dr. Reyes, something like that. So, lagi siyang nasa una, opening and greetings. Okay po? So, laging may dear or hello, something like that. Pag informal, hello. Pag formal, dear, something. Okay? So, introduction, and context. So, this time, briefly introduce yourself and explain why are you writing. So, madali lang. I'm Miss Majoy and I'm writing this letter, something like that. So, you introduce yourself, okay po? And why you are writing, hindi naman pwedeng I need your help, okay? Next, we have a body. So the body, you will make a request politely, explain why you're requesting it, outline the benefits to recipients, provide any relevant details or deadline. So state your request politely po ha, explain why you need it. So mention any benefits or yung i-mention mo yung mga importanteng bagay, bakit ka nag-request, highlight those, and include necessary details or deadline. For example, this venue, I need this venue sa July 25. So, kailangan alam na ng recipient, okay, so the sender requesting the date of this venue, something like that. Okay, so dapat clearly yung sa body natin. Next, closing and signatures. So, sa closing, it is to state the request of your thanks. So, syempre kasama din dito yung polite sign. So, sincerely or yung mga respectfully or something like that. So, it is to state your thank you for request and constructive sign of like thank you. Okay? And lastly, signature, don't forget your name and contact details. Actually, sometimes, pagkatapos ng closing ng sincerely, signature and name yun na. Okay? So, that's very easy. So, now, meron ako ditong example of the letter. So, this time, this is your letter of the interviewer. Actually, the date, it's always input or indicate sa taas. Lagi yan. Okay po? So, dear, so date, opening, greetings, dear Miss, something, dear Miss, the last name, and then greetings of this productivity, that is opening and greetings, and then the intro and context. So, syempre, magpapakilala ka muna before you state your needs. So, for example, we are students from grade 11 TVL Tourism, section of Adaya at Unity Christian Colleges, and something like that. And then also the body. So, the body, always remember that kapag sa isang paragraph, lagi po tayong naka-indent. Okay? Mas maganda, good structure yung letter natin para hindi nagugulo yung recipient kung ano yung nangyayari sa letter ninyo. Okay? Naiintindihan po. So, always sa gilid, lagi tayong may margin. Okay? So, optional lang naman yung mga header, but to formal, syempre kapag meron kang hinahawakan na school or etc., or brand, syempre laging may letter yan. So this time, I create a simple letter lang naman of simple letter na kailangan yung matutunan how to do a letter. Okay? So next, syempre, meron tayong tag dito, closing and signature. So, of course, don't forget to write sincerely or thank you sa dulo po pagtapos ng body or pagtapos ng contract ninyo. So, after that, respectfully yours or other synonyms or something na pwede nyo ilagay, sincerely or respectfully, that's fine. And then, for example, group leader, firma niya and name niya. And minsan kasi may yung mga letters, naglalagay tayo ng noted by, checked by, approved by. So this time, I input the noted by. Me, structure or subject instructor. Okay, so that is the example of the letter. So, example cases to you. So, of course, meron tayong mga polite and effective phrases you can use. First, I would appreciate if you, something like that, or I'm writing to request venue of school of a stage, something like that. It would be great help if ito yung pwede nyong gamitin to create a letter. So, thank you for your consideration and request. Okay, these phrases set the right tone and show that you respect the recipient's decision. So, try to memorize at least one or two for your own letter. Okay? Next is final reminders. So, sa final reminders natin, before you hit send or seal the envelope, kasi kapag gagawa tayo ng letter, kapag mga formal, nalagyan talaga ng envelope or something, ito yung mga formal Ito yung mga dapat yung tandaan. First is keep it brief and clear, so don't overcomplicate your message. Use respectful tone, so create a positive impression as much as possible. Proof before sending, proofread or before sending, ulit-ulitin yung basa. So, typo can make your letter seem careless. Okay? So, follow us if you need. So, if you don't get any reply after a reasonable time, a gentle follow-up is the key or very important. Okay? So, check lang tayo. So, who here has ever sent a message and then notice a mistake right after? So, that's why proofreading is very important. Okay? So, of course, meron tayong mga types of letters. Okay? So, meron tayong mga example ng mga letters for formal. Okay? Formal letter. So, first is meron tayong invitation, job or school application. Ito yung mga types ng formal letter rejection letter, offer proposal. Yan. Dito tayo, offer or proposal, agreement, cover letter. Yan. So, cover letter, interview follow-up or thank you, inquiry. Okay? So, may mga informal din tayo. Yung sympathy or condolences, or condolence, friendship, thinking of you, something like that. Yung love letter, yung appreciation, announcement, such as name or address and change, letter to the editor. Okay, so that is informal letter. So this is the formal letter and this is the informal letter. So, whether politeness or clarity in respect matter, a letter request can be best approach. Okay, so let's conclude our lesson on writing effective letter request. So remember, keep it clear, polite, and respectful. A well-written request is doesn't just give you why we need or why you need. Okay, it's also build a trust and goodwill. So that's all. Thank you for your attention. And before we proceed na, I hope you understand something to me how to write a request letter. Okay? Thank you so much for watching.